Hey guys, it's Dilma back here with another video, and today we will just be showing you Molly's slimes.
A review.
Yeah.
It's not really a review.
It's just so we are showing you slimes.
And yeah.
And so we'll get started. So
There are still more
I will
slimes.
start with this one. That it's really good. That I think. Because it's stretchy. It's stretchy. You can make bubbles with it. It's like it has a little bit of kinetic sand in it.
It's not kinetic sand.
It feels like it has kinetic sand in it.
But it doesn't. It has stuff inside of a diaper.
Oh, okay. It has stuff from inside the diaper, and it really feels really good. So this would probably, I don't know. We're gonna rate them at the end, and from like that say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh.
Oh, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
And
Do
click
everything
the
you
like
can. Okay, Molly, it's your turn to go.
Okay, so I'm going to do this. It's a purple slime, and it's a little sticky. It's mostly jiggly, but jiggle, 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 jiggle. It's actually more than a little sticky, but it's not really sticky. So,
All right, my turn.
yes,
My next slime will be this Model Magic.
it's not really slime, but I
not
made
really
it
slime,
feel
but-
like slime. But
Yeah, so
where did the
guys,
container go here?
take it all of it out. Taking all of it out.
It's okay, you don't have to take all of it.
Yes, I do. So it feels so good. It's stretchy.
Yes.
It's not really slime because you can't do that thing. It just pulls it off the ground, off the table,
It's
and
okay.
you can make it into a ball.
It's good.
See, a ball. And now it's just gonna defoam. See? There we go. It's better. Alright. It's
make
really
really
good.
good slime.
It's really good.
I make really good slime.
Alright, now it's Molly's turn.
Not
Molly
to
the
me, not
weirdo.
to me, but I actually make really good slime. Let's brag.
You have to do the really, really bad ones.
Bad ones?
Mhm.
I already did that one. This one's good.
All of them are bad.
No, I don't have bad slime. I have good slime.
It's really good.
It's not that good of a poke because it's with Modern Magic, so
It is?
it's clay. Ready? See, it's butter slime. It spreads really far for a little slime.
Yeah. So now I will do my beautiful pink slime. It's so good. Look. It's beautiful, it's pink, it's stretchy. You can make bubbles with it.
Mm-hmm. What's the pineapple slime? I made a couple of these. Well, not a couple, mostly all of them.
They're
But some of them I got.
So good.
When I made this one,
Yay,
then I
yay,
made better.
yay,
Oh, you're like, yay, yay.
yay. It's so good.
Okay,
That's my beautiful pink slime.
okay. My next one's gonna be this one, and
Ooh,
actually it's kind of leaking out of the container because it has a crack. The container has a crack, but that's okay because
is it sticky?
it's okay.
See?
Here, how about you get it off with another?
Gone.
Okay, so this one is actually pretty good. It's with this stuff inside of a diaper.
Oh,
Okay.
that again?
Yes. It's actually pretty nice.
Don't make bubbles with it because, yeah.
Okay,
So,
so I think.
my time.
Wait, this is a. I thought it was a clear. No, it's
I made a slime and it's upstairs.
Oh yeah, it's very sticky. You can make it not sticky if you want it.
adding activator.
Yeah. This one's just like.
It's so good. It's like foam beads.
That's what it is.
That's all it is foam beads.
Foam beads and slime.
Oh, jeez, it's really sticky.
What is it?
Do you know what you do when you have really sticky slime?
Yes, I
Stick it
do.
in other slime.
No, not that one.
Yay.
It's pink. It's a really light pink. Okay, how do you do it?
Put on this
How
one.
do you do it in that one? It sounds so sticky for you. Okay?
I know I'm a bad slime guy. But
He still likes playing with it. Yeah. And that's all that matters.
oh, it actually all came off.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
See? No more. No more slime on my hands.
Here.
See, look at
Okay,
this.
so
Look
now
at this.
this is my next one. It's like the worst one.
Guys, your video is already too long.
So,
It's 5 minutes.
Way too long.
no
Okay,
easy.
so,
People do videos for an hour.
or like 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Pause it.
So, my next slime, she already had her slime. It's really sticky.
Yes.
My next slime, I think, is my number one slime. Stretchy. Smells like toenails.
Toenails? It smells
Yeah.
good. It actually smells like bubblegum or something.
No, it smells like painting the fingernails.
Wait, let me see.
Fingernail painters.
No, it smells
Yeah, it
like
has-
it smells like blue, like bubblegum or something. Like cherry or something. Like strawberry. It smells like strawberry. Because I actually added strawberry scent to that. You know that, right? I added strawberry scent to this and it feels so good. And it smells
Alright,
so
that's a really good slime.
good. My turn. Doing this one. Okay, ready?
I feel bad for
So
you.
good.
I feel bad for you with this slime.
Right. It seems so good. What are you doing?
Yay! Oh, it's like, look at that. It's like a different dark purple.
Goes like this. And then this is actual slime. So,
Alright, my next slime now.
Dawn's turn.
My next slime is a very, very droopy slime. See?
It's not droopy. It's just thin, okay?
Very
It's actually a
droopy.
little thin
It looks so good.
to eat. It's just the wrong way.
It's just slowly falling.
Okay,
It's
can
like,
you
it's like burning. Hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
Hot. Feel it.
It's hot.
It's hotter than a regular slime.
It's actually colder than a regular slime.
No, it isn't.
You need to
Look,
get
just watch it drip. Dripping,
rid-
dripping, dripping. It's like
actually like down there.
spreading ice cream around. Just spreading ice cream.
Ice cream. That's like candy. That's
Oh,
melted. like
yeah,
candy
candy that's melted. Me and Molly made a slime about
Oh, it's
edible
a gummy.
slime.
It's a gummy slime. and
Yeah.
It tastes so good.
This slime I think is really
Yeah, me too.
good. Good.
Actually, it was too
So-
sticky before it melted, so I added borax like to my slime because they were really sticky. And they all melted, so I added borax on my slime, so they all turned so good. Okay. It's my turn.
Some slimes are good. That one's good.
What are you doing?
It's like a purple.
I know. Not done. Okay, so this one is really good. I don't think it's bad, but it's just wrong.
It's purple.
Do you guys think this is purple? No.
Yeah, look at it. It's purple.
On
It's
camera-
shaded purple.
On a little bit. It has a little bit of purple. But on camera, it looks more purple. Like, see, it looks more. It looks like gray on camera.
That looks white. So, it's a purple like this, but lighter. So I'm just gonna show my beautiful slime because this is made of kinetic sand. minutes. Now I will do my slime, which is
We are back.
very bad. So my slime is very good.
I didn't know. No, I'm not. You were out of control. You can't say anything. You were all. Tell me what I was all over you about.
Other than 10-second head start to.
Well, God, make your drinks. Megan, you can't freeze liquor, huh?
Guys, stop fighting.
Well, next time I'll just let you do it.
I gave you this 10-second head start. Now you guys need to stop.
It's stuck to the table.
Okay. Some more.
So this, guys, is a very, very bad slime. It's made out of kinetic sand.
It's not just kinetic sand. That would be just weird. What are you doing?
Kinetic sand. Give me the other
Sticky.
slime.
How about you
This
get it?
one.
What are you doing? It's not sticky.
It's so sticky, dude. Like, no joke. It's really sticky.
Hey guys, should we get on your bikes and drive around our town?
In a second.
So, yeah.
Maybe.
So, we will rate our slimes now. This one.
I would rate this a.
This
7
one's
out of 10.
my 10 out of 10. Like, you.
This would be a 7 out of 10. I don't think it's the best, but it's a 7. This one is an 8 out of 10.
Where's the one that got stuck? Is this the one that got stuck on me? This one, 0 out of 10.
I rate that a 7 out of 10. This one, I rate
This one,
a, I don't know, 10
9
out of 10.
out of
This
10.
one, I rate a 10 out of 10.
Even though it's sticky, it's still not good. I rate this one a 10 out of 10. Really good. And this one, 3 out of 10. This one's a 5 out of 10. This one's a 7 out of 10. This one is a 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.